Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the vacuum bag on your Roborock Qrevo Slim. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So looking at our multifunctional station, at the very middle center of the unit, we have this glossy black Roborock cover. We can pull that up, I should say just out of the way. So if you're looking at the unit, just grab it and pull it towards you or away from the unit, just like that. Just comes right out, and that reveals the vacuum bag. So if your old one is full and filled to the brim of all of the lovely hair, dirt, dust, and debris that you vacuumed up, just grab the handle right here, pull it up and out of the way, dispose of it, and then take your new vacuum bag, ta-da, and then you just go ahead and you install it right back in place. They have instructions here for you too, but very simple, straightforward. Just line it up. You can just press it right in, and then you can just drop this guy in. And there you go. You have now swapped the vacuum bag for your Roborock Qrevo Slim.